Do you ever wonder which animals live the longest? In this video, we're diving deep into the top 10 animals with the longest lifespans. By the end, you'll be amazed at nature's oldest creatures and their incredible longevity. Let's explore these age-defying animals together. In the next few minutes, we'll break down the top 10 longest living animals, uncovering why these ancient species have such incredible lifespans. Understanding these animals is essential for anyone fascinated by nature and longevity. So today we're making it clear and straightforward. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more fascinating content about the natural world. Our journey into the animal kingdom's most extended lifespans begins in the icy depths of the Arctic and North Atlantic Oceans, home to the Greenland shark. This remarkable creature, a relative of the more familiar sleeper sharks, holds the title of the longest living vertebrate on our planet. Imagine, these ancient mariners can live for up to 400 years, possibly even longer, growing slowly, reaching maturity at the ripe old age of 150. These sharks are true testament to a slow and steady approach to life. Their slow metabolism, a consequence of the cold environment they inhabit, contributes to their extraordinary longevity. These sharks are living libraries of the ocean depths, their very existence a testament to the power of adaptation and resilience. Some theories suggest that their slow metabolism, combined with a diet of long-lived prey like fish and seals, plays a crucial role. Others point to the cold, stable environment of the deep ocean, which may slow down the aging process. Greenland sharks, despite their size and predatory nature, face threats from human activities, particularly fishing and habitat degradation. As we continue our exploration of the animal kingdom's longest lifespans, let the Greenland shark serve as a reminder of the incredible diversity and resilience of life on Earth. Our next stop takes us to the sandy sea floor, where we encounter the ocean quahog, a clam that can live for over 500 years. Imagine a creature alive during their renaissance, witnessing history from the ocean floor. Found in the North Atlantic, these clams live buried in sediment, filtering water for sustenance. Their remarkable lifespan has captivated scientists for decades. Like the Greenland shark, they live in cold environments that slow aging. Burrowing into the sand helps protect them from predators. Scientists study their shells for valuable environmental records. The growth bands provide insights into past climates and ocean conditions. Ocean acidification and bottom trawling threaten these ancient clams. The ocean quahog reminds us of the vital roles even small creatures play in the web of life. From the ocean depths, we surface to witness the grandeur of the bowhead whale, the longest living mammal on Earth. These majestic creatures, found in the frigid Arctic waters, can live for over 200 years. Their thick blubber provides insulation, while their powerful tails break through ice to breathe. Their haunting songs echo through the Arctic, a testament to their intelligence and social complexity. The bowhead whale, a symbol of resilience, reminds us of the interconnectedness of life on Earth. Let us strive to conserve these magnificent creatures and their fragile Arctic habitat. Chapter 4. Rough-eye rockfish, the deep-sea survivor. We descend once more into the ocean depths, this time to the Pacific Ocean, where we encounter the rough-eye rockfish, a master of deep-sea survival. This remarkable fish, with its bright orange coloration and spiny head, can live for over 200 years. The rough-eye rockfish, with its slow movements and solitary nature, embodies the patience and resilience required to thrive in such an unforgiving environment. Found at depths of up to 900 meters where sunlight barely penetrates, the rough-eye rockfish has adapted to a life of darkness and scarcity. Their slow metabolism, a common trait among deep-sea creatures, allows them to conserve energy in an environment where food can be scarce. Rough-eye rockfish face threats from human activities, particularly fishing. Their slow growth and late maturity make them vulnerable to overfishing, as they are slow to replenish their populations. Scientists study rough-eye rockfish not only for their longevity, but also for their adaptations to the deep sea. The rough-eye rockfish, a denizen of the deep, reminds us of the incredible diversity of life on Earth and the remarkable adaptations that allow creatures to thrive in even the most extreme environments. Chapter 5. Red Sea Urchin, the Spiny Centenarian. Our journey takes us to the Pacific Ocean, where we encounter the Red Sea urchin, a familiar sight in kelp forests and rocky reefs. This creature can live for over 200 years, making it one of the longest living invertebrates on Earth. Their longevity is attributed to their ability to regenerate lost limbs and their diet of algae. They face threats from predators like sea otters and starfish and human activities. Scientists study them for their longevity and ecological importance. As grazers, they help maintain the health of kelp forests. Chapter 6. Galapagos Tortoise, the icon of longevity. We journey now to the Galapagos Islands, where we encounter the Galapagos tortoise, synonymous with longevity. These gentle giants can live for over 100 years, making them one of the longest living land animals on Earth. The Galapagos tortoise, with its ancient lineage and unhurried pace of life, embodies the enduring spirit of this remarkable archipelago. Their longevity is attributed to their slow metabolism, their ability to withstand long periods without food or water, and their island habitat, which is relatively free from predators and disease. In the past, Galapagos tortoises were hunted for their meat and oil, and their populations were decimated by introduced species. Today, thanks to conservation efforts, Galapagos tortoise populations are recovering, but they still face challenges from habitat loss, climate change, and the potential introduction of new diseases. Scientists study Galapagos tortoises not only for their longevity, but also for their role as ecosystem engineers. Their grazing habits help to shape the vegetation of the islands, creating habitats for other species. The Galapagos tortoise reminds us of the interconnectedness of life on Earth and the importance of protecting our planet's biodiversity. Our journey takes us now to New Zealand, where we encounter the tuatara, a creature that seems to have stepped out of prehistory. This reptile can live for over 100 years, making it one of the longest living reptiles on Earth. The tuatara, with its primitive features and slow, deliberate movements, embodies the enduring spirit of this isolated island nation. Their longevity is attributed to their slow metabolism, their ability to withstand cold temperatures, and their island habitat, which is relatively free from predators and disease. Tuatara populations have declined dramatically since the arrival of humans in New Zealand, primarily due to habitat loss and the introduction of predators. Today, tuatara are classified as a threatened species, and conservation efforts are underway to protect them and their habitat. Scientists study tuatara not only for their longevity, but also for their unique physiology. Tuatara possess a third eye on top of their heads, which is thought to play a role in regulating their internal clock. They also have a slower heart rate than any other reptile, and they can hold their breath for up to an hour. The tuatara reminds us of the importance of protecting our planet's biodiversity and the unique evolutionary history of isolated islands. Chapter 8. Koi fish, the living jewels. Our journey now takes us to ornamental ponds, where we encounter the koi fish, a creature that embodies both elegance and longevity. These domesticated carp can live for over 200 years, making them one of the longest living fish species on Earth. The koi fish, with its flowing fins and peaceful nature, embodies the timeless beauty and tranquility of the natural world. Their longevity is attributed to selective breeding, their diet, and their carefully controlled environment. Koi fish benefit from human care and attention, serving as a reminder of the responsibility we have to care for the creatures that share our planet. Enthusiasts often name their koi, track their lineage, and even train them to perform simple tricks. The vibrant colors and patterns of koi fish have made them a popular subject of art and photography. The koi fish reminds us of the beauty and wonder that can be found in the natural world, even in the creatures we have domesticated. As we continue to explore the wonders of the natural world, let us strive to appreciate and care for all creatures, both wild and domesticated. Chapter 9. Macaw the Feathered Centenarian. Our journey takes flight now, soaring into the vibrant rainforests of Central and South America, where we encounter the macaw. These intelligent and social parrots can live for over 100 years, making them one of the longest living bird species on Earth. The macaw, with its powerful beak, sharp intelligence, and complex social interactions, embodies the vibrancy and resilience of this rich ecosystem. Their longevity is attributed to their ability to fly long distances in search of food and mates, their varied diet, and their complex social structures. Macaws form strong pair bonds that can last a lifetime, reinforced through mutual preening, sharing food and raising their young together. Their intelligence is evident in their problem-solving abilities, their ability to mimic sounds, and their complex communication systems. Macaw populations have declined dramatically in recent decades, primarily due to habitat loss, the illegal pet trade, and the introduction of diseases. Today, many macaw species are classified as endangered or critically endangered, and conservation efforts are underway to protect them and their habitat. The macaw reminds us of the importance of protecting our planet's biodiversity and the interconnectedness of all living things. Chapter 10. African Elephant, the Wise Elders. Our journey concludes on the vast savannas of Africa, where we encounter the African elephant. These majestic giants can live for up to 70 years, and some individuals have been known to live even longer. The African elephant, with its wrinkled skin, powerful tusks, and intricate social bonds, embodies the wisdom and experience that comes with age. Their longevity is attributed to their size, which deters predators, their intelligence, and their social structure. African elephants live in matriarchal herds led by the oldest and most experienced females. These matriarchs hold a wealth of knowledge about their environment and pass this knowledge down to younger generations. African elephant populations have declined dramatically in recent decades, primarily due to habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching for their ivory tusks. Today, African elephants are classified as a vulnerable species, and conservation efforts are underway to protect them and their habitat. The African elephant reminds us of the interconnectedness of all living things and the importance of protecting our planet's biodiversity. Thanks for watching, and remember, nature is full of incredible surprises, especially when it comes to longevity. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive even deeper into the wonders of the natural world. See you there. If this video helped you understand more about the longest living animals, please like and subscribe for more fascinating content. If you have questions or suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts.